Hey, it's recording now.
It's recording?
Yeah.
You crazy. Hey, 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 hey.
Keep the footwork.
Hey, hey.
Oh, shit. Oh.
Trap, all the nigga know is get it. I ain't chasing no pussy, girl. I'm talking about the digits. Check, then I showed you I can triple it. Baby, it's Uber, I only want you. I don't give a fuck who can pass on my face. She don't give a fuck who still looking too good that you fucked on sight. I'm trying to finish this who I started with. I'm trying to spend it all who I got it with. Hey, she my track queen, let it hit the bed though. Hey, we be going up, watch how far them bands go. Hey, hop on my baby, she jump out the Lambo. Hey, run them bands up smooth out the window. Hey, jumping wood guts all out the window. Hey, married to the money, I ain't never let go. Hey, baby, it's who out from the bando. Hey, jumping wood guts all out the window. Hey, married to the money, I ain't never let go. Baby, it's who out from the fucking bando. My lifestyle is driving you crazy, but I cannot see myself else. We call it face, don't even know where to go. I go out of my way to please you. I go out of the way. I ain't playing no games like me. I hope you know I need you. Yeah, baby, I get up on my knees. Yeah, baby, do anything for this shit. Yeah, top down when we burst it. Yeah, baby, no it goes to me. We living like a movie. You know the best.
Time marches on. Yes, sir. You look majestic right now. Time marches on.
It was like yes, and easy tapped it.
Fuck, bro.
What happened? How much money do you have now? Just gonna do that. Okay, just gotta refresh real quick. What's that?
Y'all wanna play?
What is it?
Tyler.
Yo.
I don't know.
Daring contest? What?
Real.
I'm gonna draw 5 cards.
You'll learn. Go back to bed, bro. Nah, bro.
Except for these 2. Draw 5.
I actually have a good fucking array.
Wasn't there teams on this?
No.
Turn the music down. Copyright issues. Am I right?
Are you not dealing everyone 5 cards?
I feel like
Just
A certain amount of people.
Shut up, man.
if I get rich, it's because I work.
Where's my cards?
Draw them.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
I'm gonna deal 5 cards.
Pick your fucking cards.
You're a terrible dealer.
Yeah, is it?
Being the judge first.
Someone explain the rules before we start.
No, you get points by the severity of the.
Shut the fuck up, he's explaining.
Yo, put the GoPro up there.
That's perfect, bro.
Put it on a candle.
You want on the candle?
Maybe it looks good.
Oh!
That reminds me.
Everybody listen up for 30 seconds. Every round, you use 1 card, you put it in a pile. Whoever the judges that round looks at him and picks one. Whoever's card they pick has to do that there.
How's this
You
guy
get that
always
many
in front of
points.
the camera? Sean, get the fuck out of the way!
Bro, where am I supposed to go?
Over there!
Everybody punch on that card, but you do the damage.
Hey, what's your cards? You guys have cards? You got
It's super easy. It's super easy. It's an easy game. You do it yourself. You have focus? You have focus?
Oh, I got 6.
Advantage. Everyone listen.
6, 7, love.
You put 1 card. You put 1 card in the pile every round. Whoever the judges that round picks one of those cards. Whoever's card it is has to be that dare, and they get that many points for the other card. If you refuse to do the dare, you pick.
Wait, oh.
Hey, there ain't no bitching now.
Explain it again.
I've explained it like 3 times.
Just give me a dare.
Everybody give Carson 1 card.
If I pick yours, you have to do it.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
and you get that many points if you do it. If you refuse, you gotta do a penalty.
Yeah, you gotta remember what you got, right?
what the cards say before you pick?
Yeah. That's not that bad. That's cool.
Open mic night, put on the quietest impromptu stand.
Dude, that's easy.
No, it's not, bro.
Tyler.
Tyler, lock in, bro. Stop being a little pussy. Tyler, unfortunately, bro. A little bit of a bitch right now.
Do you want to play? If you don't want to play,
Yeah, he's not playing anymore.
You're awakening the beast. You're fucking very sick.
I'm just playing, Tyus. Hey, come on. You want to play a little more or no?
Better make sure you're playing, buddy.
What's gonna happen? Yo, T, you know we're friends, right?
I know.
You playing, right? Tyler, tell me you're playing, please.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, we're doing send a selfie to the number of the judge's choosing.
Was that yours?
Wait, that was my. I thought that somebody else had to do the dare.
No, you had to do it, though.
Oh wait, I have to
if you do it, you get the
that's
points.
what's happening.
Alright, Jake.
Guest bet alone? Is that the winners? Is that the winners choosing right there? Guest bet? Dude, Carson don't give a fuck about this game. Carson's got no money on the table here.
How about to include him? We'll say if he doesn't win,
He can't sleep in his bed.
I'm not gonna fucking hockey game anymore, bro. I need to be pristine.
fine. He's gotta have 4 people in his bed.
No, that's good. That's good. That's
Sleep
good.
in his bed.
That's right. That's right. You're missing out. Get in here.
I don't understand. We did like a specific challenge if you don't like. You gotta like, I don't know, streak naked on the streets.
How about whoever loses, we have to drop off in the middle of the woods blindfolded?
You good?
Fuck, I don't know.
Block 4. Whoever has the least amount of points. Underwear race or something?
No, not naked, not in underwear, but we just put him in the woods.
A solo.
Solo, yeah.
Let's do that.
Person gets the least amount of points, and the winner gets guest bet. Go into the woods alone and find a way back. Wait, you win.
Round 2, buddy.
I'm not losing this shit. Everybody agree?
That's it's on camera, boys.
It's actually the most fun shit. Like going to the water.
Yeah. Got it? Come on, bro.
Oh, hell no.
This is fine.
It's between these two. I think that one's better. I'm gonna do this. Take a picture, an object of the judge is choosing, and post it to Facebook with the caption, "Feeling adventurous."
Anybody got a dildo?
Is that you?
No. Who is it? Who is it?
Oh my! You can either do that, or you can take a penalty card.
No, I'll take that.
Let's go, Ty!
Yeah, where's the... Give him some dick-shaped stuff, bro.
I pick the object.
Feeling adventurous is good.
Wait, this object, I think this is a good one.
That'd be public. Everyone can see it.
I don't want to spread, bro.
Bro, what do you mean? It's a... Come on now.
I don't want that one, buddy.
What about the rugby ball?
Get a piece of cat chip.
What about the rugby ball?
Rugby ball?
Remember,
That's
you
not
can-
that bad. That's not that
Penalty cards
bad.
aren't horrible. You might get really lucky. It's so weird, bro. You could get really lucky.
Watch your guys' Facebook, guys. Watch your Facebook.
I might have to download Facebook.
What are you looking at, bro? I don't know, bro.
Can you pass that card to Tyler?
What did you say?
Cameraman, if this card gets picked, you got it from the camera away.
Wait, let me see it real quick.
You gotta take it.
What's this one?
If you want to cast your, you have one hand swap. You can use.
No, I don't either.
I swear.
I'm looking good. Oh, this is a good one.
That's fine.
Where's yours?
It's right there.
You need this shit.
What is that?
The cards are good. You can't know who I see.
What happened?
You can't know who
Should I hear that?
What?
Alright. Wait, who?
Acting like
Who?
acting like his ass cheeks didn't jiggle. You think my ass cheeks?
Trying to bury somebody.
What are we saying?
1 second.
Hurry up. What is it?
It's send a made-up catchphrase to the judge.
That's me!
Just choosing to the 10 people in their context, bro.
Alright.
Hey, Silas
It's so, bro. It's like Suey Mama Dewey or something, bro.
Zooey Mama?
Zooey Mama Dewey, bro. Zooey Mama.
Zooey Mama from Ryan Wimpkin.
Zooey Mama Dewey.
Zuwama Dewey.
Zuwama Dewey?
Yeah. Yeah, bro.
Zuwama Dewey?
You gotta say it with
Mama Dewey. Yeah.
Zuwama Dewey!
Yeah.
And then let him send it to 10 random people.
Yeah, let him say
Yeah.
Alright, 10.
Go deepest translation, bro.
Don't send it again. I'm so embarrassed. It's not like I'll go there. No, Nori, don't send it. That's two. Oh, no.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, shit. No, wait. Did you save it? Save it? Did you save it or no?
We didn't save it.
You got like 30 people. Zuwama Dewey.
Yeah.
Alright, so now 5 more.
Go deep, bro.
5 more people,
Right?
right?
No!
Chris Paul. How many more?
Oh my god, bro.
That was it. That was 5 right there, I think. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Alright.
evil. That's fucking evil.
Hey, dude.
Hey, die with them. Don't even have.
Anything for the points. Who's Jamal? Can you get it going? Come on, Brad. Come on, Brad. Come on, Brad.
All of it. You guys don't want me to do that.
Come on, Brad.
He's doing it. This shit is not it. You can always take a penalty.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, what? This is nasty as fuck. This is nasty.
He's gonna go. That counts. You're good, bro. You're good.
You're good, bro. Give it up. That's actually so gross, bro.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Yeah, you got the credit.
Oh, yo, he actually just talked to it, bro.
Yeah, you got the card, bro. Lick the bottom of your foot. Lick the bottom of your bare foot by any means
Please don't
necessary.
make me lick my own foot.
Do you like this shit, bro? Do you like this shit, bro?
He's already at the top. I knew he was gonna play it too.
Oh my god, bro. Okay, this guy's actually kind of nasty, bro. Yeah, you gotta lick the whole bottom though.
By any means necessary. Lick your fucking foot.
Let's go.
Lick your foot. Let me see that.
I'm sending this to all the huzz. Go, bro. Lick it. Lick that shit, boy. Hold on, let me get a good angle. Don't stop now. You're not done. Down, you gotta get the bare foot. Bro.
Did you get the bottom?
That's the bare.
Please give it to me now.
You went up the same streak, you dumb fuck. Get the other side of the foot. Get the other side of the foot.
Oh, I just licked my foot twice.
Get the other side. You went up the same.
I think you got it, bro. I think you got it.
Alright, my bad. My bad. Here you go, bro. This one?
Alright, lick the table. Hopefully it's clean.
Wait, so he just has to lick the table?
Make it horizontal, bro.
No, I'm not.
Oh, we gotta do the whole damn thing, bro.
The whole table.
Dude, that's not that bad.
Dude, just suck it up.
There we go.
Alright, wait, hold on. I need to get an angle all the way up and down. I need to follow his toes. How you feeling? I
should have took a penalty card.
Nah.
You gotta clean that up. His friend's suffering. He pissed on his car earlier.
Smell your piss early, bro.
Yeah, did you hear this story, dude? This guy, I pissed behind his car and I said, your gas leak. And he goes up to the gas, and and he goes like this.
Dude,
I thought it was gas, bro. I thought it was gas. This guy tried to fucking taste gas, but it was my fucking piss. So, all right, follow my finger, ready?
Oh. Oh my god. Wait. Oh. That's your table, bro.
Wait, what's that?
Wait, look at the line.
Look at the car, bro.
You skip some?
No, I didn't. Bradley, my tongue got dry. Jacob, go clean it up.
Working.
Good work.
All on right now.
Y'all gambling?
Yes.
It's a 10x.
Oh my god. They heard me, bro. They heard me.
We went up. We stopped at 2.
Holy shit, dude.
Let me know. Hey, boys, someone up. All good, though.
What are you doing,
$14 down the hole, bro.
What are you doing?
One second. Just let me know.
Yo, somebody else call it, though. Somebody else call it, bro. Wait,
1x?
1x, that's fine. That's the same amount of money. You don't lose anything. Oh, wait, you do? What the fuck?
I'm at $1 now, bro. All good, though. Oh my gosh. No, we're gonna risk it, bro. We're gonna risk it. I'll just keep on working my way up again.
That's how they get ya.
130.
7.
No, it's not hitting 7, boys.
It's in 7. 4.
I'm saying.
Oh, fuck, man. Yo, bet a penny.
It goes 20x.
They lost that 20.
Money, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's still going.
Yeah. I've seen it go up to 800x before.
800. I wouldn't let him do that if I were you. Yeah, don't let him get away with that shit, bro. Yeah, get his ass. Oh, that was dirty. Yeah, what the fuck are you betting? Hey, pick him up, gang. Let's go. Ooh.
Oh, that hurt. I don't lose the money.
Oh no! Oh no! No! Just let him eat.
If he loses money here, then we go low down again.
Oh, Plinko.
Okay.
Same.
Oh shit. Okay. Alright,
Sense.
Dude, we're betting like with dollars here, bro. We're good.
Oh, you made it out. What happened to you?
Nothing.
You sure? You're not done. Keep licking. You went all the way up and down. You gotta get the bare foot.
Bro.
Suwama Dewey.